Mastering irregular verbs with modal verbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to delve deeper into our exploration of English verbs. We are focusing on a very important topic, using irregular verbs with modal verbs. It's a significant area of study for anyone learning English because it can be a little tricky. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of this concept. Let's get started. Before we dive into using irregular verbs with modal verbs, let's refresh our understanding of these two key terms. Modal verbs are auxiliary or helping verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Examples include can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and ought to. On the other hand, irregular verbs are verbs that do not follow the regular conjugation patterns in the past tense or past participle. Examples include go, be, have, eat, run, etc. Now that we've refreshed our understanding, let's dive into using irregular verbs with modal verbs. The key point to remember here is that modal verbs are always followed by the base form of the verb, regardless of whether the verb is regular or irregular. This is because the modal verb carries the tense, and the verb following it remains in its base form. For example, I can speak Spanish, not I can speaks or I can spoke. He should go to the hospital, not he should goes or he should went. Remember, even if the verb is irregular, after a modal verb, we use the base form. Let's practice with some examples. Incorrect, she must went home. Correct, she must go home. Incorrect, you can saw the movie yesterday. Correct, you can see the movie yesterday. I hope these examples are helping you see the pattern here. And there you have it, folks. The golden rule to remember is that modal verbs are always followed by the base form of the verb, even if the verb is irregular. I hope this video has been helpful to you in mastering the use of irregular verbs with modal verbs. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find that it becomes second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.